Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a really delicious, easy, fast breakfast, lunch, brunch, snack, after workout meal. Okay, so I've taken 2 of my Mama Lupa low carb tortillas, 1 point each, with 2 tablespoons of PB2. Yes, 2 tablespoons. Add a little bit of water to make it nice and thick. And some raspberry, let's show you, jam. It's a no sugar added. It's 1 sugar per tablespoon, but I used a half a teaspoon. You really don't need a lot to spread it on thin with a nice sliced banana. If you want to make it fancy, add a little sugar-free syrup, or you could add some almonds or some chocolate chips. And all of this is 3 smart points on Weight Watchers. And super delicious, satisfying, and hope you love it. Okay, talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook. At least 3 days of work with breakfast, lunch, and snack items. So I have my Lilydale turkey meat, and I have my egg muffins. I always bring extra veggies, cucumber, whatever I have in the house. And I made these cute salad jars with cucumber and shredded carrots, tomatoes, and spinach, and peppers are in it as well, red peppers. I have my yogurt and some fruit and a little snack. I have my sweet with heat mustard, and I have a variety of salad dressings at work. A great dinner idea as well is my twice baked acorn squash with sausage. You can use whatever protein and lots of veggies. Something else to have for dinner. For lunch today, I made a salad in this cute jar, and I'm going to have some Lilydale turkey meat. It's extra lean from Costco. I have my 2-point Melba toast, a little bit of some Opa dressing for my salad, and some sweet with heat mustard that I love. It has a nice zip to it, and of course a bottle of water. I'll have a fruit or yogurt afterwards. All of this, 3 smart points. Well, depending if I have 2 tablespoons, which I don't think I need, just 1 tablespoon of Opa, 2 smart points for all of this. Pretty yummy. Learn how to make my high protein egg breakfast muffins. Well, you can have it for a snack, lunch, breakfast, or even after a good workout. High protein, low fat. Delicious. Uploading now. Here's my dinner tonight. So 2 Mama Lupa tortillas with sauteed vegetables. I used 2 different barbecue sauces because I like it. A little bit of pizza sauce. I used some other mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. This is the Romano. And here's my tortillas, 1 point each. And I put a few pepperonis on top. They're turkey with some barbecue chicken. Yum. And I have some steamed veggies from last night. That's for dinner. A great dinner idea as well is my twice baked acorn squash with sausage. You can use whatever protein and lots of veggies. Something else to have for dinner. Who wants to learn how to make my delicious new peanut butter and jam cheesecake tarts? You can use a pie plate as well, but for individual portions, 3 for 1 smart point. I know. Super easy and delicious. They are uploading now.